one issue we've been having, because I use this griddle so much, and I just leave my tools here dirty, but because I use this griddle so much, I don't really clean the inside of this. It's really gunked up. Even when I did try to clean it, it didn't really help much. What happens is when it heats up, the oil drips down and into these little vents here, and then eventually drops down onto the ground. I cleaned this mat. I had to buy a mat so it wouldn't keep getting the ground all messed up. But I just cleaned it not too long ago, but you can see right here. Here we go. You can see right here, it just started. And I just used it once since I cleaned this mat. And that's just water. But yeah, so what my plan is, I have another griddle. I barely used it. It's the 28, and it's sitting in this storage container. I'm going to go ahead and pull that out today and start using that here. And then this one, I'm going to take it apart, and I have a couple issues I want to fix. First, I want to degrease it and clean this up really good and try to keep this clean from now on. That kind of lesson learned. And this next thing is, this thing keeps coming off, and when I travel, it vibrates and it comes off. This one came off. I lost some of the parts, the little spacer in there, so I made another spacer. I'm going to take all this out, get some good nuts and bolts and washers, and probably Loctite those things in there, or get a lock washer or something. So I'm sick and tired of those coming off. And then this thing, the little lock for the lid, these kind of come loose, so I'm probably going to thread lock those, get it tight enough so it doesn't move again. Otherwise, I love this griddle. Works really well, but a couple problems I want to fix today, so we're going to go ahead and take this apart and degrease it.